Thanks for stopping by Vintage King Motorsports again. We're taking a look now at a Sachs Dolmar 120 SI. This saw is in really, truly nice, good running condition. No cracks or damage. A nice bar, a very sharp chain. Starts very easily. We're going to fire it up and let you see and hear how this one runs and cuts. This is one serious chainsaw, folks. A very classic saw at an extremely affordable price. You know, you see these all over the place advertised for $400, $500. You're not going to pay that at Vintage King. You pretty much know that. You can buy this right now for only $249.99 plus shipping anywhere in the U.S. $249.99 plus shipping. Buys this saw right now to your doorstep anywhere in the U.S. We also sell anywhere in the world using eBay international shipping. So if you would like this really cool classic 120 SI, don't hesitate. Act now, because when it's gone, and it won't be in your garage either. Click on the link below for pictures and details, or to buy this saw right now for only $249.99 plus shipping anywhere in the U.S. Vintage King Motorsports, when quality and price matters most.